You need a red purse.
You think I do? You think that'd look good on me?
You just look like a red purse.
You
guy.
think that'd look good on me?
Let me see.
Wow.
It's even got a...
What do you think?
Okay, yeah.
You like that?
That's you.
As author Anthony Brandt has said, other things may change us, but we start and end with family. I've been picking the Commonwealth for 20 years, searching high and low at yard sales, thrift stores, antique malls, garages, and sometimes even barns for treasures I can pass on to new homes through eBay. But now as I watch my little ones growing up before my eyes, I find that my real treasures are right here with me every day. So join us as we pick, flip, and resell on our 2 eBay stores and in our 3 antique booths. All right, I went to a yard sale here and bought a bunch of Halloween stuff and left a mummy here, and I regret it still. I guarantee it won't be here, but I'm gonna look and see if it is. 2 yard sales.
Always looking for those. Yeah.
Hello.
How you doing?
Doing good. I bought a bunch of Halloween stuff from you last year, but I don't see any left, so I must have bought it all.
Halloween eyes.
I bought a bunch of inflatables, and I remember there was like a mummy, and I didn't buy it, and I left, and I'm like, I can't believe I didn't buy that thing. Oh well. Oh well.
I think Halloween stuff. I got 2 or 3.
Okay. Well, I'll check them out. Got some Halloween stuff back here.
He does.
Well, that's right.
$3.
I know, I was just looking at that. I'm like, hey, that's a good way to not have to carve a pumpkin.
For sure.
My kid is in college now. Anything
That's a nice pumpkin.
$1,
$1, $3. What are these, 10 cents? Yeah, I'll get those. $2 for these. Those are kind of cool. I might buy it all. What the heck? I don't want those. 10 cents. Look like dollar store that stuff is. I don't know if I can mess with that, but that's cool. Kind of cool too. What the heck is that thing? Camera. Is that inflatable?
Yeah, I got a bunch of Christmas ones.
All right, well, I'm gonna look there here. Well, maybe we can make a deal.
Yep.
All right, so $20 for that. Let me just make a little pile, see if we can come up with something. We got the Grinch is 10. You see, you got $40. All right, $40. Yeah. How about you got 40? These 2 right here. The Grinch. My boy loves the Grinch, but I might sell it. Let's see. 1, 2. So 10, 10. You got 20 on that one. So there's $40. Will you do 40 on those and then throw in a couple of pumpkins for free?
I can probably do that.
All right, that'll be $40. I'll give you your asking price on those, and I get a pumpkin to take home.
Okay.
Let me see what else I can find. So we're at $40.
You need a red purse.
You think I do? You think that'd look good on me?
You just look like a red purse.
You
guy.
think that'd look good on me?
Let me see.
Wow.
It's even got a...
What do you think?
Okay, yeah.
You like that?
That's you.
Uh-oh, my wife's calling me. I feel it here. She must know something's going on.
She saw that red
Hello.
purse.
What's up? Oh, nothing. I was just talking to somebody. A pie event, huh? Okay, all right. Well, we'll definitely be there then. Is it too late to buy pumpkin stuff for the booth? Probably, huh? Yeah, this isn't Halloween-y. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, I'll buy a little bit. All right, sweetheart, bye. All right. So we're at $40. You got $2 a piece on these. That's $6. How about we do 5 and I take all 3?
That'll work.
All right, now we're at $45. I'm gonna spend all my money. Last time I came here, I spent a bunch of money.
Can you get her okay?
Yeah, I think so. All right, I like your sales. You got cool stuff.
I got too much cool stuff.
Yeah. All right, so now what'd I say? 45. So that one I'm gonna pass on for now, I think. What is that? Santa?
That's it's a snow bear.
Snow bear?
It's a big white snow bear.
Okay. All right, so we're good there. And then we're gonna get that one over there. So that's what we got so far. A snow globe. That's funny. All right. I'm gonna have to go to the bank after this. Okay, let me pay up and then I'm gonna look over there. What do we say, $45?
Yep.
There's a 10. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. And I think I have 2 20s in here.
Okay.
1, 2. Thank you so much.
You put
and
them
I'm gonna pass on that purse.
Okay.
All right. I don't know if it's my kind of color. I'm more of a blue purse kind of guy.
Well, if you really want to have fun with it, another $10 you can add the other 2 Christmas things in there.
These 2?
Yep.
You are making my life hard.
Yep. Another, it's $10 for both. Thank you very much.
I'm gonna go over here and take a look. Oh, I just scored, brother. Lots of clothes. H2H. Another Kelty. $30. That's a nice one, but it's got a little staining on it. High chair. Banana grams. I sold some of these before.
They do some of their plate apple picking, and I picked $10 of apples, and it'll last me for a while sitting outside the dispenser.
What the heck? Let's see what else is around high.
Yeah, we're kind of doing a joint thing here.
Sure.
The letters. Yeah.
You a teacher?
I'm an assistant, but I do English teaching during the summers.
Oh, God bless you. I'm a teacher.
Oh yeah?
I am. AP World History.
Oh, very nice. I love world history. One
Well,
of my favorite classes in high school.
oh, there's more in here. CDs, 25 cents a piece.
Sale. She means garage sale.
Ah, there you go.
Literally in the garage. I probably should put something that makes people know it's okay to go in.
Filter Force. These aren't even CDs. PC Talk, Newsboys, Jars of Clay.
She's a yard sale nut, buddy.
Disney Dinosaur.
Everything she got out of here.
Independence Day. Hobbit.
I love Polly Pocket and I never got anything, girl. I don't know why. I feel like I was too old when it came out, maybe.
Yeah, you're a few years old.
Sport People running belt.
Have 6 kids that don't have a lot, so I carry 2 truckloads for you over there. Oh, y'all got stuff in the garage?
Hey, you're not gonna help me take the stuff down to my car? I appreciate it.
You can take that home, please.
All right, I have 2 1/4 worth. Will you do $2 worth? I think that's right.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is that okay?
Yep, that's fine by me.
Star Wars soundtrack, huh?
I know, Chris loves soundtracks. He's got
There
it all
you go.
He's got it all.
So it's not Star Wars, it's soundtrack.
That's right.
So what do you do with your GoPro?
So I go around to yard sales and I buy stuff and I put it on YouTube and people watch it.
Oh. They just watch or do you resell?
Oh, I resell.
Okay,
I
yeah.
resell. So this is the big winner right there. I have to test it out. That snow globe's got to have some value. I haven't looked it up yet. That's the Grinch. He'll sell. This one's generic. It's not going to be very good. Generic, but the prices were right. $5 a piece. It's worth my time, I think. So if nothing else, Turner's gonna love that one if we decide to keep it, which we probably won't, but you never know. And I got one more up there and I can't remember what that one is, so let's go take a look. You know what, I probably should have backed it up, but at this point, it's too late. Yep. So, I don't know, next year I might not come back to your yard sale. I bought all the inflatables now.
Who knows what I'll do this year?
You never know, right? Hey, thank y'all. These will sell in the booth. Gave me a pretty good deal on them. Yeah, we'll put $4 on that pumpkin. We got it cheaper than that, cheaper than the 3 that's on there. Put probably $2.50 on that one. You know, nothing special, but somebody will buy it up. They've bought all our other pumpkins, so I'm sure they'll buy these. Put those as a batch and sell them for 10 maybe. So they're not making much money, but those should be quick sellers this time of year. And you probably will see this video long after Halloween is over. All right, so I just sat down in the car and I looked up one of the inflatables. I didn't look up the Grinch inflatable yet, but I looked up that peanut snow globe and pre-owned ones. No sales that I saw, but 2 listed, one for $300 plus shipping. There's 4 watchers on it, so we're not going to get that much because that one's not sold, but it's going to be a good one and it's going to pay for the whole day, put us in the profit and everything else we've bought. And this car is full. Really cool to see Daniel at another yard sale. So if you haven't seen Daniel, go back and Fun at, let's see, there's a couple of yard sales. I don't think it's Fun at the Flea. I can't remember what the other one is, but I'll see if I can attach it to this video. But Daniel is reselling and we taught him how to do a little bit of it, and he's a great kid and happy to see him out here, and told him to go to the next sale and beat me there so he could get some. So anyway, see y'all in a little bit. Hello. That's pretty good for $1, huh? We have to do that. My boy loves cars, so I always am looking. Okay, so yeah. I'll check it out. But thank you. Holder, yeah. How y'all doing this morning?
Doing pretty good. How about you?
Selling some stuff?
Yeah, not too bad.
Jurassic Park. That's an interesting one. How much on your cars?
They're 25 cents. If you do 5 or more, they're $1.
Okay.
I mean, 5 for $1.
Gotcha. Yeah, little Spider-Man motorcycle.
How much are for your men?
For what?
Your men.
Oh, he's got 50 cents. The cars are $1, and yeah, these were 50 cents each.
Okay.
Give me a bit.
Sure.
I worked for Homestead for a while in the office. That was long. I'm good with names, aren't I? I'm like, I know her. I work at the Summit now. Oh, okay. Question, I'm sorry.
Hi-ho Cheerio. Not bad, just a little too pricey, I think, here.
They're doing some of the
A little rough.
yeah, well, we had, yeah, I don't think we're having.
Maybe I should buy that. I don't know.
But I can't remember what all they have going on. I've been so busy, I'm the only one. And yeah, it's been pretty. Well, actually, it was kind of right away. We had a few people, and then there was a lull until about 9 o'clock, probably.
Oh, it's a little too beat up.
Our side was down. Yeah.
Fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Which you got a few more things? Okay. Okay.
Broken piece. 2, 3, 4. See if we can get one more. What do you think of that one? Ooh.
You want a little bag or anything?
Sorry.
That's
all right. Oh,
Anybody
picked the wrong dollar.
But
I think we're good.
Do you do videos?
I video myself going to yard sales.
Oh, okay. Awesome. There you go.
All right, thank y'all. I appreciate it. All right, see, these aren't big money makers, but we've been selling them pretty good in the booth. I mean, not too bad, so it should sell. This one's kind of cool. For, 20 cents a piece. woody. You know, they're not in great shape, but for 20 cents a piece, we should be able to flip them. Hi. Is this your sale?
Yeah.
How much are the beer steins there?
Well, the ones that down in the box,
Uh-huh.
they're $20 each.
$20
They're
each?
from Germany. They've had
Okay.
a collection.
Yeah, they're nice.
Just thinning them out.
Sure, thinning them out. Not getting rid of the whole thing, huh? I might have some issues with it. Alligator. Not Lacoste. Alligator. Maybe put it in the booth. You want on the little jacket? $5. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'll take that. Mystery machine.
35.
Here's a quarter. Oh, he dropped it. There you go. I have been to this yard sale. I think it's been 2 years. And I remember I bought some vintage Tommy Hilfiger, but I remember it was also pretty pricey if I recall. We'll take a look, but I doubt we're gonna get anything. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi. Sometimes these sell pretty well in the booths. $1. All right, you got $1 on one and $2 on one. Any chance you'll do $1 for both? $1 a piece.
That one's brand new. Those aren't even used.
All right. I think I'll take that one. Do I want that one? Yeah, what the heck? I like it. I'll take it. So there's $3. Let me see if there's anything else I'm missing here. Magnolia Journal. My daughter loves watching them.
Yeah.
My wife does too, but my daughter seems obsessed, I think. You know what? I'm gonna get her. Get them. She might like to look through them. Very neat. Easter blocks. Spells Easter, $1. I think I'll buy that. $1. Easter blocks and eggs, $1. Definitely, I will definitely sell. All right, I think I'm done. Whoa.
We had $4 just over there, and then 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
Okay.
The hot chocolate. I'll take you up on the hot chocolate. I'm not going to turn that down. There you go.
Okay, great. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thanks for coming by.
All right, appreciate it. All right. No amazing deals, but lots of good little small profits for the booth. for joining us out there. We tried to sneak in a few more yard sales here before it gets too cold. It was a little cold this morning, but we got a few in and we made some great deals, and hopefully we're gonna make some money off it. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.